All right, guys, here's the video to find the winner of the Rudy Speech full-size inscription helmet we just opened. Here is all 32 entries that were entered in that, with Kevin all the way up to Kevin Jones, down to Kevin Chavez. There's our 32. We're going to check the time, June 5th at 9:44 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it the raffle now and say live to get our time check here, which is June 5th at 9:44 p.m. Here is, again, our list of 32 entries. We're going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher, and there is 6. All right, guys, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin Jones, spot number 6. Kevin, you are our winner. So, Kevin, get with me to collect your Rudy. There is our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, June 5th, 9:45 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.